Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, your PC ran into a problem blue screen error. Click Advanced Options, click Command Prompt. Type CLAN. Type cd space, Windows /system32/config. Type regback. Type dir. Type cd space, ... Type ren space, default 1. Type ren space, sam 1. Type ren space, security space, security 1. Type ren space, software 1. Type ren space, system 1. Type cd space, regback. Type copy space, ** CLAN /Windows /system32/config. Exit and start Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.